lot of scammers in the business. So finding genuine people is very, very hard in this business.
Okay. So you were born in United Kingdom, is that right?
Yes, yes. I was born in the UK. Then I flew to Ghana for business,
Okay.
mainly for the gold.
All right. So are you a buyer or just brokering?
No, I'm a broker.
Are you a broker? So where your
Yeah.
buyer coming from then?
I have a buyer that's come from Canada.
Mm-hmm.
I have two buyers that's come from UK.
Mm-hmm.
Another buyer from China.
Oh, I see. So you flew to Ghana in order to search for gold on behalf of your buyer. Is that right?
Yes.
Mm-hmm. So when you arrive in Ghana, because your ancestor, your family is coming from Ghana, so you feel comfortable in Ghana. So what did you find people in Ghana that you were been dealing before?
Well, I've noticed that a lot of people in Ghana will promise that they can do at certain refineries.
Mm-hmm.
And then when it comes to time to do with the refineries, they will either bail out at the end. They'll
Okay.
tell us that we need to swap and go to a different refinery.
Because in
I
Ghana,
don't know
there's
if
a
you've
lot
heard
of
of gold.
refinery.
Pardon?
In Ghana, there are 14 refineries. Don't you know that?
Yes, but not all of the refineries are genuine.
Mm-hmm.
Like just 1 week ago, they scammed an American man $3.5 million.
And which refinery in Ghana that the American was being scammed?
I'm not too sure, but I think it's a refinery called Stereo.
Never heard. Mm.
You understand? So there's some refineries that are coming to the market that buyers are going there and sellers are challenging with the refinery owners and the buyers.
I see.
So it's a major issue.
So
The
probably,
main refinery that I'm currently dealing with is PMMC.
oh, I see. I think PMMC is it's authorized by the government. Many years
Yes.
ago, PMMC was the one who sell the gold on behalf of Ghana country. Mm-hmm.
Yes.
Today, there are so many refineries like ER Logistic, Gold Coast, PMMC, a lot of refinery. Mm-hmm.
Yeah.
So you would not be able to get the gold in Ghana if you are not certain that your buyer is real, really, to be honest with you.
No, my buyers are real. All of my buyers are real. But
So I think you already learned out of my video. You've been watching several videos on my YouTube
yes,
channel.
I watched it.
And I put everything, the requirement that the buyer will comply. And what necessary buyer will comply to the seller. Did you really read the extensive full corporate offer on my YouTube channel?
Well, I haven't finished reading that side.
You have to.
But I know that I'm going to read over it.
You have to, because if you are brokering on behalf of your buyer, you have to learn. You know, everybody learn out of my YouTube channel. Okay,
Yes.
used to be I handle Ghana. Used to be 2011 I started in Ghana, and I was being invited to come to Ghana. Ghana, your country, your mother country is good, but the people, the sellers are notorious. I'm telling you.
Yeah.
The sellers are notorious. They are going to cheat you in real time, or scam or deceive you. Yeah. That is why I don't touch Ghana. I have a bad experience in Ghana. Yeah.
Wow.
I would never touch Ghana. Never.
So, wow, did you advise me to leave Ghana? What's your advice?
Our policy is very clear. If you go back to the video, any video, read the full corporate offer. Then you will understand. I only handle Conakry, Mali, and Sierra Leone, not Ghana. I have a very bad experience in Ghana. Very bad.
Wow.
I was being screwed by the buyer and the seller. The seller who invited me to come to help him to handle marketing, at the end he screwed me. Sellers in Ghana are notorious, no matter how I educate them. They don't want to learn, they want to cut corners, so I don't have time. I'm not here to waste my time. Gold business is a real business, you must remember. Gold is money. So that is we have gold in Conakry, Mali, and Sierra Leone. My job is to promote Africa. If you really watch the video properly, you would understand and you can apply that to yourself. So how long you been in Ghana right now?
I've been in Ghana for 4 years.
Oh, so you know your mother country. So you deal a lot of sellers, right?
Yes, I've dealt with a lot of sellers. My family is from the Prempeh family.
Yeah.
So I've even had to deal with my family.
There's a lot of gold in Ghana coming from different border like Cameroon, is smuggled into Ghana, Nairobi is smuggled into Ghana, Sierra Leone is smuggled into Ghana, Kampala, Liberia is smuggled into Ghana. Yeah. There's gold in Ghana. There is. Sorry?
But it's about finding the genuine sellers.
Well, the genuine seller will believe you if you prove to yourself that you have fun. Because if you're asking CIF, cost, insurance, and freight, guaranteed you are going to fail. Guaranteed 100%. Gold is not CIF. This is FOB, my dear.
Yes.
If you think that you can brokering on behalf of the buyer asking letter of credit, impossible. Because sellers in Africa are minors. They want cash because they have also overhead. No one is giving you, my dear, for free. Gold is money. Gold is world asset.
But I have 3 of my buyers who are ready to do cash and carry.
Okay. Do you understand what is cash and carry?
Yes, I understand what is cash.
And cash and carry, Mr. Kwabina, you have to pay the gold first in order for you to get the export documentation. That you pay the gold, then you can hand carry it. But if you just say, oh, I want to buy gold cash and carry, but you don't have available cash, how could you take the gold out of Ghana?
No. My buyers have the cash. My buyers have proof of it.
I see. So, well, I really wish you good luck that you are in Ghana for 4 years. Until now, you haven't found the right seller. Is that right?
Yes, I haven't found the right seller.
I'm traveling to Africa. I'm stop over in Dubai because my buyer is from United Kingdom and he did open a company in Dubai. And I'm assisting him in order to get the 10 kilos and he meet the criteria. So I'm traveling next month.
Yeah, that'll be good.
Yeah.
Hopefully one day you will come to Ghana.
I wouldn't come back to Ghana. No way.
Oh, no.
I was been burned out in your country. No way in the world. You can have your country. I live in Australia. I don't need any time notorious seller. I'm sorry. I was being scammed in your country.
That's not good.
Yeah. There's a lot of foreigner in scam in Ghana, American, European, Australian, people from Dubai. Ghana is a nice country. Your government, I love Ghana, but the people, they are the one who ruined the image of Ghana. They are the one. I love Ghana. I don't have any problem with Ghana. But the seller in Ghana, they are notorious. They only think about money. They are not thinking for long term, they only think short term. In this business,
Yes.
you need to think about long term, not a short term. Mm.
Yes.
Yeah.
They're very small minded.
They are. Their mind is crooked. I call them crooked minded. Mm.
Yes. Cheap. I call them mindset is cheap.
Yeah, they're
The
cheater.
money you eat today,
Yeah.
I mean you eat the money tomorrow.
I always tell the seller, you don't need to cheat the buyer. You need to welcome the buyer. Because the buyer
100%.
travel a million miles away in order to buy your products. My seller loves me, really. My transaction has been successful. I don't have any issue. Yeah.
So if we wanted consultation from you, the possible.
Yeah.
Okay, great.
Well, I need to know the buyer. I cannot give you the consult because I'm charging you, my dear. I'm charging my consultation fee.
Of course. Your time isn't free, so I don't expect you.
Yeah, my time is money. And before that, I need to know the credentials of the buyer.
Okay, no problem.
Without knowing the credential, I wouldn't believe that your buyer is real.
So would you want me to send you an LOI?
LOI means the buyer has to to show that a copy of his business registration, importation license, proof of fund, and anti-money laundering certificate. He has to apply that.
With two of my buyers, I can provide all of that, no problem.
But you have to go back to my video. Every video I have a date. You need to go back and register and comprehend it properly.
Okay, but okay, no problem. Let me go back and do some research.
Yeah.
Hopefully we'll speak soon.
And then read the full corporate offer on every video.
No problem.
Mr. Kwabena, thank you very much for our conversation. And I hope you will get the gold in your country, in Ghana. You've been there for 4 years and I wish you good luck. And there is gold in Ghana, but you have to follow the golden rules of your country.
I understand.
You understand now?
Thank you so much.
Thank you for sending me a message on my other WhatsApp number.
Thank you, I'm grateful.
I'm going to charge you. Used to be I advise people, but they are using my vital information. You must remember, I'm the only person who put my face on social media. I'm the only person. Because I want to clean Africa, because Africa has been tarnished as well. Buyers and sellers are the one who ruin the image of Africa. Because of the profit. You will get the profit if you really follow the golden rules of buying. There's a saying, gold is king. He who has the gold makes the rules. Ghana makes the rules. Conakry makes the rules. Mali makes the rules. Every African country makes the rules. So the buyer has to follow the golden rules.
I understand.
You understand now?
Miss, thank you for your time.
Yeah, thank you for our conversation as well. And thank you for subscribing on my YouTube channel.
Yes, no problem.
Well, good evening. Today is February 28th. The time here is 7 o'clock in the evening and based in Brisbane, Queensland, Australia. I just finished talking to a gentleman that his parent is from Ghana, but he was born in United Kingdom, and he is entering into gold brokering. And he's been in Ghana for 4 years, as he told me, and he watched my YouTube channel, and he sent me a message on my other WhatsApp, because I have 2 WhatsApp number, and I responded to him. He said that this is his message. I'm gonna read his message on my other WhatsApp number. Just bear with me. This is the buyer. He's a broker. He said, okay. In the beginning, he doesn't know how to introduce himself, and he said, "Hello, good morning." So I responded, "Hello, me. I know who you are. How did you get my number? Kindly introduce yourself properly. Who you are." This is my response. Then he get back to me, "Hello, good morning. I am a gold exporter from Ghana, and he is a broker from United Kingdom, and he subscribed my YouTube channel." And I told him, "Really? What did you learn out of it? Then apply that to yourself." So he responded to me that, "I mostly watch your video to learn how to engage with buyers looking for gold. Also, you are quite up to date with market prices. So I use your video as a guideline for current market price for gold. I must be honest, I haven't watched most of your video. My video," he said, "is very informative. I have a serious buyer that want to buy gold from Ghana. So I wanted you to advise and consultation. I'm a buyer direct broker. I really don't advise people. If you're a wise thinker, just listen to the video from the beginning to the end and subscribe and click below. The extensive procedure called full corporate offer is in front of viewers on every video. You need to pay attention. You don't need to be excited. Most of you, when you watch this video, immediately you contact me. You have to read. Because when my seller hired me, my seller didn't teach me. My seller hired my expertise. Because I've been in marketing for many years. I've been in real estate. I was the one who introduced this. You would not find a lady that putting her face into the social media telling the world that Africa is the main source of gold. 98% Africa produce gold, diamond, cocoa, cashew nuts, bauxite, and other minerals. But my expertise, I handle seller exclusively who produce gold. So you are buying directly from us. You are looking to buy gold, and when you search on Facebook and on YouTube, you bump this lady. And I'm very, very blunt and very frank because I don't want to waste my time. Time is money. So those buyer that dealing with so many chain or broker, you are going to fail. Everybody come to Wilhelmina. "Wilhelmina, I have the buyer. Teach me." I don't teach people. You're lucky to meet this lady. You're lucky that you bump this video because this video will give you knowledge that gold is money you're buying. The buyer is the one who will make a decision. The buyer needs to send a letter of interest called LOI. Now, this gentleman that I just finished having a conference, he was born in United Kingdom. He was being educated. But until now, for 4 years, he said he lived in Ghana for 4 years. He said there's so many scammers in Ghana. Well, the scammer means you were being deceived. The seller can lie to you, and you are also deceiving yourself because you wanted to protect yourself to get the commission. So that is how it works. Gold is really the world asset. Gold is money. Without gold, the central bank cannot print out paper money. Now, gold in Africa is a raw materials called Doribar. We are not selling refined, you are buying unrefined. They can bring it to buyer's destination. The buyer can refine it, whether he gonna sell it to the factory making spare parts on mobile phone. Maybe the buyer can resell his gold coming from Africa to sell it to jewelry manufacturer, or the gold trader can sell it to the refinery to refine into gold bullion, which is refined. You must remember, Central Bank of United Kingdom cannot even cater their customer because shortage of gold bullion. So without the raw materials, there would be no gold bullion. Now our selling price, regardless of the world market demand, we always give the price 8% tax included. I was the one who requested my head office to give the buyer 8%. Without me accompanying you, the seller will sell you 3% or 5%. Why I giving you 8%? Because I'm going to accompany you in order to get you gold properly so that you will not be cheated by the seller. It doesn't matter if he is my seller. African sellers, they are narrow-minded. They only think about money in front of them. They only think for short term. I teach my seller to do long term in order for the buyer to come back. So cash and carry means you have to pay the gold. You cannot take the gold out of the country without proper export documentation like asset report, attestation, certificate of clearance, and child labor, custom clearance, etc., etc. When you pay the gold, yes, you can cash and carry. But if you don't pay the gold, you cannot have a cash and carry. Now, I just interviewed this gentleman, okay? And he said, I will send you an LOI. Now, to remind you, to explain to you what is the purpose of LOI. LOI means the buyer has to send a letter of interest to purchase. Attention to Wilhelmina, if you want to deal directly to us, because Wilhelmina will scrutinize that LOI. LOI signify that the buyer is real. Right? When you watch this video, it's really very clear. The letter of interest, attention to Wilhelmina, after the buyer read the full corporate offer on this video, every video I explain it. The buyer has to show a copy of his business registration, importation license, passport copy, and the proof of fund. The bank statement that the buyer has $1 million or $800,000. Without that, I wouldn't believe it. Now today, if you bring gold to your destination, and when you transfer the payment from the buyer's bank account in Europe to Africa, you are going to require to show anti-money laundering certificate. Now you are watching me, whoever you are, you need to apply anti-money laundering certificate that your money is free of illegal activities. Why I know this? I have two buyers. One from Nigeria. He provided me a company registration, importation license, passport copy, and anti-money laundering certificate. He's going to bring the gold into Nigeria because he couldn't get the gold in Nigeria. He said gold in Nigeria is very expensive. So I was giving him a really good price. But that buyer is a very tricky buyer. So we're giving him for 4 months. In the beginning, we give him 14 days on the contract to comply. He cannot even show a proof of fund. He wanted 2 tons, but he doesn't have the money. He's going to leverage the contract to borrow money in the bank. So this buyer is also very tricky. Okay? So I've given this buyer an opportunity. He asked for extension. We didn't give him another extension. It doesn't matter if he produced paperwork. That paperwork has no value if the buyer cannot show $1,000,000 that he has proof of fund. So we reject the contract. Can you imagine that? And I told him my seller didn't agree to ask for extension for another month. We're giving him for 4 months, he extend because he's still looking for money. 80 million he doesn't have. 75 million he doesn't have. Even 65 million he doesn't have. So I told him, you come back when you show me that you have $75 million, then we can adjust. He provided me everything and we sent him a contract. He failed. And now he's still screaming that he couldn't get the gold. Now another buyer from United Kingdom, he's really very thorough. He's going to bring the gold in Dubai. He is waiting for anti-money laundering. He was the one who gave me such a vital information. He said, Dubai has changed, Wilhelmina. When we transfer money into your seller's bank account, my bank manager required us to produce money laundering certificate. Can you imagine that? Every day is a learning process. I'm sharing you here. Whoever watched this video, if you are a buyer, apply now online on anti-money laundering. Do not deal with the chain of joker broker. The joker broker didn't even know what he's doing. Now this joker broker, I call them joker, they learn from Wilhelmina. That's fine. Everybody learning from my platform, because any seller would not explain to you like this. The seller is a local miner. That's why they hired me, because of my knowledge. I am sharing this knowledge to everyone. Whether you're a broker, learn it. Don't be excited to come to Wilhelmina. Wilhelmina, I have the buyer. How much is my commission? I'm going to reject you. I'm telling you. Wilhelmina, I have the buyer. Send me an FCO. I'm going to reject you. I'm not going to respond because the FCO is already on every video. I want you to read it. If you subscribe, then you gain knowledge. If you click below, you make a comment whether you learn out of the video. That is a very big incentive to you if you're a broker. You apply that to yourself thanks to Wilhelmina. Wilhelmina explained to you, I am not here to babysit everyone. I am not a babysitter. I'm not. I am here to sell. I am here to tell the world that Africa has gold. 98% Africa produce gold. I work for the seller. The seller hired me to market it. And also, when I travel with you, Mr. Buyer, I do charge my services. You mean to say I'm going to travel to babysit you? With my own expenses, you are buying $1 million. And then when you resell it, you make profit. And you gain knowledge to Wilhelmina. I beg your pardon. If you cannot afford to pay my extra service, therefore you cannot afford to pay the gold. Very simple. You must remember, Mr. Buyer, you're buying world asset. There is money. What happened now? America is on panic. Central bank shortage of gold. Where the raw materials coming from? Africa. I mentioned that many times. Why Australian mining company is in Africa? Why Chinese are everywhere in Africa? Why? There is business. They get the gold, bring it to China, refine it to their refinery. Bingo. They sell it to their own client. Gold bullion and crypto. The crypto coins cannot be make a crypto if there is no backup of gold. If there is no backing of gold. If you're really a buyer, do the research. Take time. Read the full corporate on this video. Click below, subscribe. Time to time, you will be notified if I have an interview with any buyer. You don't need to be scared, Mr. Buyer. if our conversation is live, because this is a very educational. I am cleaning Africa. There is gold in Burkina Faso. You cannot get the gold in Burkina Faso. They are now refining and sell it to the central bank of 2% or 3%. Mali have tons of gold. Mali have a refinery, KMR, DNGM, Russian refining company, they're there. Marina, they're there. Conakry Central Bank are the one refining. But you wouldn't get the gold unless you pay the gold. Now you're gonna say, well, Amina, how I'm gonna pay the gold? It's very clear. Use your brain. First of all, we scrutinize you whether you have a available fund. You cannot just buy the gold without capital. We need to gather your background. I'm the one who will scrutinize you. I'm the one who will gather your vital information. I'm the one who will ask you to provide me your business registration, importation license, passport copy, and the proof of fund, and anti-money laundering. I'm the one who will gather your credential. Then when I receive it, on your LOI, you need to state how many quantity, what carats, and the purity, and the mode of payment. This is FOB. This is not CIF, cost, insurance, and freight. This is not LC, letter of credit. This is not a bank instrument. This is not bank guarantee. The bank guarantee will guarantee you, Mr. Buyer, because you have an asset. Gold is an asset, you must remember. Gold is a solid asset. So you need to convince Walamina, because you will never get gold from us. Yes, I will take you to Africa and I will determine how many quantity. You want tons of gold? Yeah, we do. But show me if you have $1 million. I would like to encourage any buyer start a trial. 20, 50, 100. You need to build your business relationship with us. Then you increase your order. I can guarantee you, you will get handsome profit. In a year's time, I can guarantee you, you become multi-millionaire. Why? Gold is money. I can guarantee you that you will get the profit 85% a year. Yes? How? When you increase your order from the first trial, second, third, fourth trial, yes, in every bar, you get the profit. Then you're gonna say, well, Amina, how much is my profit? That is not my business. You ask the gold trader, you know that gold is money. Whatever the world market price, regardless of the world market price, our selling price, less 8%, tax included. With Wilhelmina, you get more than 8%. Without Wilhelmina, you travel, I will monitor your movement 3%. My seller would not sell you 8%. I was the one who told my seller, if I'll bring the buyer with me, let us open the door. Let's give the buyer maybe 8, more than 8% if the buyer convince us. The most important, Mr. Buyer, you show me your bank statement that you have $1 million or $800,000. This buyer in Dubai, he showed me everything except his anti-money laundering. He already paid me to travel. So I'm waiting for the anti-money laundering certificate. Then I would be ready to fly and meet him in Dubai, and I will take him to Africa. Mr. Buyer, you would never find a person who explained thoroughly. If you are not paying attention and then you're excited to send me a message without knowing, without reading the full corporate offer, to me, you're a time waster. Really. Regardless of the price today, our selling price, less 8% tax included. The price of gold is down, take advantage, because the gold will bounce back. End of the 2025, the gold will turn to 3,500. Yeah, on 3,500 per ounce times 32.15. This could be the price. End of 2025, huh? This could be the price. Now, today is Friday, right? Just a moment. Today is Friday. The price of gold per ounce is 2,862.32. Now, 3 days ago, the price was 94,000. Now it's 92,000. Take advantage of this. Secure now. Talk to Alamina. Take advantage and place your order. Start a trial. Start a trial, then you increase. You need to convince us. You need to build your business relationship with us. Guaranteed you will get the gold. Guaranteed. Thank you very much. Have a pleasant good evening. Today is Friday, the last transaction of the world market price. Okay?